We found this beautiful county park. There's two different trails you could follow, but both take you to the same locations. A lot of beautiful long trees, a boardwalk, marsh and wetlands. If you want to take the faster route, there's stairs to go up to the overlook.